Hey everybody, Colleen here with Colleen Beauty and Fashion. So today I have a little unboxing for you of a little Sephora kit that I picked up. This is called Sephora's Luxe Vibes, and it has a few things in it that I really wanted to get. And so I'm going to open it up and let's have a look at it together. So thank you for joining me for this video. Thank you if you're a returning subscriber. All you guys, the 500 plus now, means so much to me, so thank you for coming back. And if you're new here, welcome. This one happens to be a makeup video, but I do lots of fashion videos too. All things geared for mature women or men, but mostly women on my channel. So anyway, let's get into this little box now. Here it is. Again, oh, that's upside down. Here it is. So I'm just gonna open it up. So let's see. So in here we have, I just love little mini things. I'm such a sucker for this. So this is the Dr. Barbara Stern niacinamide serum. There it is. See how cute it is? Oh, it's so cute. So yeah, so I wanted this because I don't have a niacinamide serum right now. I have a great camellia one that I got in another box, but this will be fun to try. So that's some skincare to start with. So next we have the Hourglass. This is their veil. Hourglass, and this is the translucent setting powder veil. You can see it open. So we'll be giving that a shot. Next we have a Pat McGrath mascara, Fetish Eyes. Fetish Eyes mascara. So I'm in need of a new mascara, so that's good. We'll be testing that. And we also have La Mer moisturizing cream. I've wanted to try this for so long. So there it is. And of course it's incredibly expensive, but I really want to see what all the hype is about. So now I have some. So next is the Keratis Elixir Ultime. This is the hair treatment, hair oil treatment. So that'll be nice to try on my hair, which is quite shiny today because I just got it done. So I'm quite liking it. And then to finish off, I have two lipsticks. So the first lipstick I'll share with you is this Tom Ford. There it is. Tom Ford. Tom Ford. And this one is the color Casablanca. So let's have a look. Oh, it's a nice pinky mauve color. Let's give it a shot, shall we? Really, really nice texture. I've heard great things about Tom Ford lipsticks, and of course they're incredibly expensive, but I think if they stay on, especially as we get older, right? If they have a nice formula and they stay on and you really enjoy them, then maybe they're worth the price. So we'll see with this Tom Ford one what we think. And if any of you out there have a Tom Ford lipstick that you want to share with me because of the formula or the color, you want to tell me how great it is, please comment below in the comment section. I'd love to hear about it. I always like to hear your feedback, so let me know. So the last thing I have is this YSL lipstick. And this is the color 01. I can't even see what it says on there. But it's a red. I know it's a red. So there we go. Oh, look at that red. Beautiful. So I'm going to try this another time, but you can look forward to that. But I've wanted to try YSL lipsticks too. So, and the packaging is just gorgeous, of course. So there you go. So that's my little Sephora Luxury Vibes little mini box of things. I'm going to give them all a shot now, and I'll let you know in another video how they turn out. So you'll want to watch for that. In the meantime, thank you for joining me for this one. And if you like what you see and you poke around on this channel and you want to become a subscriber, please do. I'm building a community here of women from all over the world who love their beauty inside and out and want to celebrate it. And we all have that in common. So if you want to be a subscriber, please do. Bye-bye now. Until next time.